Choosing the ideal material for your door handle may seem like a simple task, but it's a detail that deserves special attention. In fact, the door handle plays a crucial role not only in terms of functionality, but also aesthetics and safety. This article presents the ultimate guide to choosing the best material for your door handle. Whether you're renovating your home or building from scratch, this guide will help you make an informed choice, taking into account factors such as durability, maintenance, cost, and of course, style. The dual functionality of door handles, utility and aesthetics. Today, door handles are no longer limited to their simple opening and closing function. It has also established itself as an essential decorative element in our interiors. The choice of handle material plays a crucial role in both these aspects. It must guarantee a good grip to ensure its functional role while adding an aesthetic touch that blends harmoniously with the style of the room. From aluminum to stainless steel, brass, or Zamac, the options are numerous and suited to all budgets. Focus on the main materials used for door handles to help you make the best choice. Focus on door handle materials. Aluminum, recognized for its oxidation resistance and sleek design, is a popular choice for door handles. Stainless steel exceptional corrosion resistance, making it ideal for wet rooms such as bathrooms. The brass, often referred to as yellow bronze, brings a touch of antique elegance to your interior. The iron, robust and versatile, suitable for both interior and exterior doors. The Zamac, an ecological and economical alloy, offers a modern, designer look. Last but not least, nylon is appreciated for its high resistance to wear and tear. Other, more expensive materials such as wood, porcelain, or bronze can also be considered for their unique charm. Door handle care tips by material. To preserve the beauty and functionality of your door handles, regular maintenance is essential. However, the material of your handle must be taken into account before any action is taken. A simple, soft, damp cloth is generally sufficient to clean most materials. It is strongly not recommended to use detergents, which can damage the protective varnish often present on brass or Zamac handles. The latter require special care when cleaning to avoid damage to their finish. By following these tips, you'll extend the life of your handles while preserving their aesthetic appearance.